beautiful pasta Puttanesca, Michael's of Brooklyn pasta sauce. It looks beautiful, it looks amazing. Hi everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. In today's video, I'm gonna make some quick pasta. We're gonna make an amazing pasta Puttanesca, Bad Girls pasta. For the sauce, we're gonna use this beautiful Puttanesca pasta sauce made by Michael's of Brooklyn. Here's what it looks like. Beautiful. Look at the color of the sauce. Beautiful. Michael's of Brooklyn is the famous restaurant in Brooklyn, New York. They make their sauce in the kitchen, in the restaurant kitchen. This is not your typical farmed pasta sauce. It's made in the restaurant kitchen. It looks good, it looks amazing. Let's go make pasta Puttanesca. Of course, we're gonna use some Rao's linguine. We're gonna spice it up with some pecorino romano cheese, and we're gonna add Kerrygold garlic and herb butter. Alright guys, I'm starving. Let me take a first bite of this Michael's of Brooklyn pasta Puttanesca. Wow, it's outstanding. As I mentioned before, they make this sauce in small batches in their kitchen restaurant, so doesn't get any better than that. Outstanding pasta sauce, guys. I highly recommend it. If you can get your hands on it, Michael's of Brooklyn, get some of this sauce. It's outstanding. I'm gonna go back to finish my lunch. Michael's of Brooklyn pasta sauce, 5 out of 5 stars in my opinion. Outstanding sauce. I got this sauce at my local Sprouts store. I'm not sure who else sells it. Look for it, find it online, order it. It's outstanding. Michael's of Brooklyn Puttanesca pasta. Thank you for watching Parks and Pizza. See you in the next video.